Good morning, class. How are you all? Yes. In this class, we are going to read about pronouns. Okay? Pronouns, number, gender, and case. Do you know about pronouns? What is pronoun? Who can tell me? Yes, Anushka? Yes, pronouns are words that is used in place of noun. And do you know about noun? What is noun? Who will tell me? Yes, Kunal, speak aloud. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or emotion. Very good. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, things, idea, emotions. Very good. Sit down. And we can say all the naming words are called noun. So by an example, we understand this pronoun. Okay, there is the definition of pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. Okay, before reading pronouns, you should know about the nouns. Okay, if you know about the nouns, you can easily do pronouns. And before pronoun, I had taught you noun and its kind also. I taught you now. Okay. So first, and what is the number? Number, the noun number. Noun is singular and plural. Gender, noun is male or female, neuter and common. Case, noun is subjective and objective. Okay, in this chapter, we will study about all. So, let's start our chapter. Read these sentences. Here are some examples. Okay, let's start. Saina Nehwal is sports person. Saina plays badminton. The rescued line on the table belongs to Saina Nehwal. What are you noticing in this line? What is coming again and again? Saina Nehwal. Very good. Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal. What is Saina Nehwal? Name. Name. तो name होता क्या है? Noun. In place of noun, what we use? Pronoun. So, what is that? Where here we are using again and again Saina Nehwal, Saina Nehwal, Saina Nehwal. Okay? So, we have no need to write again and again Saina. If we are writing about some anyone else, any book, any person, anything, so we have no need to repeat the name of them. Just we can use pronoun in place of them. Okay, instead of using the nouns again and again, we can replace them with pronouns and write. Yes na? Understood this? कि बार बार noun लिखने से अच्छा है उसकी जगह पे क्या यूज किया जाए? Pronoun. That will be easy for us. Saina Nehwal. What is the gender of Saina Nehwal? She, female person. और फीमेल के साथ कौन सा यूज होना चाहिए? Her or she, her. So what we will use here? She. So side, but we cannot use in starting. In starting we have to write the name. Okay? Starting में आपको उसका नाम ही लिखना होगा. Why? Because we have to introduce by them कि what is gender of it. Okay, उसका gender क्या है? क्या according हम आगे की प्रोसेसिंग करते. साइना नेहवाल इज अ गर्ल. You know very well. So what we use for girl? She. So Saina Nehwal एक sports person है. Now we will use pronouns. What pronoun? She. She plays badminton. The racket lying on the racket lying on the table is hers. ये रैकेट किसका है? उसका है. उसका किसका? साइना नेहवाल. She and hers are pronouns. She and hers, what are? Pronouns. Here are some examples of pronouns. What are the example of pronouns? I, we, you, he. Okay, these all are called pronouns. Now, the features. मतलब इसकी क्या क्या इसके अंदर इसकी फीचर्स क्या क्या होते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, a pronoun is used in place of noun. As you know, pronoun is used in place of noun. In what is the meaning of in place? की जगह. ओके, नाउन की जगह पे यूज किए जाने वाले वर्ड्स वो प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. एंड noun is the pronoun is the part of our parts of speech. Do you know about parts of speech? You don't know? I told you many times. How many are there? 8. Very good. There are 8 parts of speech. So which was one? Noun. We had study about noun. Second, pronoun. Before pronoun, what we had learned? Adjective. Very good. Noun, adjective, pronouns. Then what will come? Verb. What will come? Then adverb. Very good. Adverb. Then prepositions. What? Conjunctions. Then interjection. Very good. So this is the part of our parts of speech. Okay. It indicates possession. Possession. What is the meaning of possession? Possession क्या होता है? किसी पर अपना right दिखाना. आपका किसी पर अधिकार है. कोई चीज सिर्फ आप ही की है, आपसे belong करती है. Belonging to yourself. तो वो क्या है आपका? Possession. Ask questions. Question ask means किसी से पूछताछ करना, questioning करना. Okay? Points of object and so on. मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट्स को बताना एंड और इसके अलावा. द नाउन फॉर विच अ प्रोनाउन स्टैंड इज कॉल्ड इट्स antecedent. The noun Saina Nehwal is the antecedent of the pronoun she and her. Okay. Now types of pronoun. Types of pronoun. How many kinds are here? 10. Okay. There are 10 kinds of pronoun in your book. So first is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, I speak, indefinite pronoun. Okay, there are 10 kinds. You can easily understand the personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, and empathetic relative. But there are this demonstrative adjective is also there, na? And demonstrative pronoun is also there. Interrogative adjective is also there, and pronoun is also there. Okay, and more possessive also. So we will understand the difference between them. What is demonstrative pronoun and what is demonstrative adjective. Anybody can tell me the difference between them? Demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. What can you tell me the difference? No? Why can't you? I just told you कि अभी आप demonstrative adjective पढ़ो, then after you will study about demonstrative pronoun. Which examples are used in demonstrative pronoun? This, that, these, those. What we use? This, that, these, those. This, that for singular and these, those for plural. This and these used for near and that and those for far away. Okay. When this that come with noun, जब this that के साथ noun आता है तो वो होता है आपका adjective, demonstrative adjective. Okay, this book is mine, this car is yours, like this. Okay, and जब this that these those और जब noun की जगह पे आप यूज करते हो, okay, so we say demonstrative pronoun, बिकॉज एडजेक्टिव में वो क्वालिफाई करेगा और इसमें वो नाउन की जगह पे यूज होगा. तो वी विल स्टडी फर्दर फॉर अबाउट इट. ओके, हियर आर वन एक्सरसाइज फॉर चेकिंग योरसेल्फ. हाउ कैन यू डू दिस? ओके, fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. Okay, one by one, if you know the answer, you can just easily raise your hand. I will ask you. First question is that I could do many things. I could do many things even when I was a child. First, understand this sentence. He is talking about himself. मतलब मैं अपने बारे में बात करूंगी तो मैं अपने लिए क्या यूज करूंगी? Myself. And as you know, I के साथ क्या आता है? Myself. So what will come the answer? What will be the answer? Myself. Okay. Seema is my classmate. Now we are talking about Seema. And what we use for Seema? She. Very good. She is participating in the music competition. Now, why don't you go with a noun where we have no options? We can write here her. Her we can write. Him we can write. What will you? Yes. Me also is correct. Yes, now more. Them is also correct. More. And you can write the third person of it. मतलब आप किसी का भी ये लिख सकते हो या हर भी लिख सकते हो, हिम भी लिख सकते हो. Okay. Now this you will see. This is our interrogative. How would you know? Because there are question mark. Okay. So question mark. Here, what will come here? WHO word. So is accompanying you in the evening. आपको कौन करेगा? Very good. Now can you open the window, please? The dog fell from the stairs and why did you itself? Why is itself here? So we can write here himself also, no? Yes, it is used with animals and non-living things. और it उसके लिए भी यूज किया जाएगा as we don't know the gender of them. अगर आपको किसी का जेंडर नहीं पता होता है वहां भी आप it का ही यूज करेंगे. एनिमल्स के लिए एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए या लाइफलेस थिंग्स के लिए. ओके. I saw the movie and loved it because movie is a thing but lifeless. Now again the interrogative is the person driving your bike. आपकी बाइक कौन ड्राइव कर रहा है? Then who? Yes, understood this? Now first kind is personal pronouns. Now we will talk about personal pronouns. Okay. Personal pronouns are those pronouns which replace name of person or things. This is only used for persons or things. जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है वो केवल किसी पर्सन या किसी थिंग्स के लिए यूज होता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे सीमा इज अ न्यू स्टूडेंट. सीमा इज अ गर्ल. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ सीमा व्हाट वी विल यूज? शी. शी वाज स्टडीइंग इन बैंगलोर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, यूज ऑफ पर्सनल, यूजेस ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, कि हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का यूज कैसे करते हैं. How they refer to three persons, namely first, second, third person, and the genders, namely female, male, and neuter. Yes, there are three types of persons. How many types of persons are here? Three types. How many times total? Can you tell me first person? I, we. Very good. First person is I, we. Here is written also the speaker of the sentence is I, we. जो बोलता है ना सेंटेंस के अंदर, ठीक है, स्पीकर बोलने वाला, वो कौन होता है? फर्स्ट पर्सन. इन अभी हम में से फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन है? मी, आई, बिकॉज आई एम टीचिंग. एंड हु इज द सेकंड पर्सन? यू, बिकॉज यू आर लिसनिंग. आप सुन रहे हो, तो लिसनर कौन हो गए? सेकंड पर्सन. एंड व्हाट इज थर्ड पर्सन? प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ एग्जांपल रिलेटेड टू अस कि थर्ड पर्सन क्या होगा जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? प्रोनाउंस की बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक दिस. तो सेकंड पर्सन इज द पर्सन स्पोकन टू इज यू, जिससे बात की गई है या जिस जो सुन रहा है वो हो गया हमारा सेकंड पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन, द पर्सन दैट द स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, ही, शी, इट, दे. ओके, जो थर्ड पर्सन है जिसके बारे जिस बात की जा रही है, लाइक ही, शी, इट, दे. Okay, this is the third person. You can easily say I, my, me, we, are, us is first person, you, your, you, second person, he, she, it, they. He, oh sorry, she, hers, her, she, her, he, his, him, it, it's, it, and we are us, they, their, we are us, sorry नहीं है, they, their, them, we are us, तो we are us तो वो है first person. By mistake मैंने बोल दिया. Okay, there are two types of personal pronoun. Two types होते हैं personal pronoun. One thing I want to ask you. Look at here once. यहाँ लिखा था there are three types of person. First person, second person, third person. But gender you easily find out female and male. What do you understand by neuter? What do you understand by neuter pronoun? What is neuter pronoun? क्या होता है न्यूट्रल प्रोनाउन? Those things are lifeless. Those things are lifeless. They are called neuter. जिनका ना तो कोई मेल है ना फीमेल है, ना कोई मतलब उसके अंदर जान है, लाइफलेस है, मतलब जो लाइफलेस इन द सेंस नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, लाइक योर बुक, योर चेयर, your bag, your bottle, your car, your toys, each and everything are neuter pronoun. Okay. Now first person, second person be done. Now there are two types of personal pronouns. How many types of personal pronoun? Two. Subjective and objective. Subjective means pronouns that play the role of a subject in a sentence. Subjective वो हो गया जो as a subject role play करता है. Like example, I am participating in the competition with him. What is the pronoun in this sentence? Huh? What is pronoun in this sentence? Only him is there. We are talking about subjective. Subjective means in the starting I. I know. Because we are talking about subject. So subject is I is our subject. Objective pronouns that play the role of an object in a sentence. I am participating in the competition with him. What is in here object? Him. Very good. Him is our object. So now you understood what is subject and what is object. सब्जेक्ट जो स्टार्टिंग में आता है जिसकी बात जो बोल रहा है जो काम को कर रहा है एंड ऑब्जेक्ट लास्ट Personal pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. These all are our personal pronouns. Okay? Singular and plural and possessive and reflexive. You should know about first person. First person होता है आपका I. Okay? Subjective होता है but singular. I subjective first person but singular. ओके अगर इसका ऑब्जेक्ट देखोगे तो आई के साथ इसका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या आएगा माई ओके सॉरी माई है ये आप लोग मेरे साथ फ्लो फ्लो में गलत बोल रहे हो आप लोग देख नहीं सकते हो क्या लिखा है वहां पर मी इज देयर तो व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ आई मी आई सब्जेक्ट और मी इज ऑब्जेक्ट दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड दिस इज आवर सिंगुलर ओके सेकंड पर्सन है आपका you and what is the subject and object will be you there will not change because you're you third person he for male she for female it for neuter things okay he का object है him she her it का it now we talk about plural or subject and object we are first person as I told you I and we are first person I singular है और we plural है okay we का object us you singular भी है और plural भी है if you talk with someone else तो you एक के लिए भी यूज होगा और you more than one उसके लिए भी यूज होगा तो यहाँ what we will say both subject and as a object they them okay now possessive proform and reflexive and emphatic I me we us का होता है mine और us you yours he his she hers they theirs okay reflexive हो जाएगा myself ourself yourself yourselves himself herself itself themselves one note is there look at this the pronoun myself ourself and are used for both masculine and feminine gender myself ourself दोनों masculine और feminine के लिए यूज होता है masculine होता है मेल और feminine female the pronouns yourself and yourselves are used for both masculine and feminine gender ये भी दोनों के लिए यूज होगा the pronouns he him his himself are used for masculine मतलब only for male okay he him his himself किसके लिए होगा male the pronouns she her hers herself are used for feminine means female the pronoun it itself are used for neuter जो ना तो मेल है ना फीमेल है मीन्स लाइफलेस lifeless things. The pronouns they, them, themselves, themselves are used for all. ये सभी genders के लिए use होगा, but in plural form, plural के लिए. So, have you understood this? Now one exercise is this. Okay? So half I will do, half you will do yourself. Fill in the blanks with appropriate personal pronoun. What we will use here? Personal pronoun. Students, good morning ma'am. Okay, students क्या कर रहे हैं? Good morning ma'am. Teacher, good morning children. What is children? Good morning children. And now किसके लिए यूज होगा? चिल्ड्रंस के लिए. बट टीचर जब आपको किससे ज्यादा क्या कह के बुलाएगी? वेरी गुड, यू. Have you all brought the report cards after getting them signed by your parents? Aditya, have. Very good. Have you got yours? क्या तुम्हें तुम्हारा रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिल गया? Be careful while handling. Can you tell me it किसके लिए आया है? It किसके लिए आया है? Report card. It is report card. Aditya, yes ma'am. I will give. I will. Very good. I will get it to. Very good. Now teacher, let. Teacher अपने बारे में बात कर रही है. Call out the roll number one by one. Lisa, ma'am, Aruna is absent, but Aruna है, female है, then she. Sent. She के साथ क्या होगा? Sorry, यहाँ it आएगा report card के लिए. Okay? Now can I keep? Wait. Hers. ये hers क्यों आया? Why is hers? Because ये report card किसका है? अरुणा का है. Aruna is a girl and we use hers for girls. या female. Lisa, yes. Sanjay, ma'am. Suresh is also absent and here is his report card. Teachers, is this? Yes. And now, in this both, is this complete? I will not tell the answers. You will do yourself and you will just comment on it. यहाँ पर आपके कमेंट का ऑप्शन होगा, आप उसमें इसका आंसर कमेंट करके आज ही मुझे बताएंगे. ओके, टुडे आई विल चेक इट, यू आर कमेंटिंग और नॉट, यू आर गेटिंग दिस टॉपिक और नॉट. ओके, the rest of the part we will do in our next class. Okay, all of you, thank you.